Plus, he wounded a state police officer during a traffic stop, why state police say he should have been behind bars at the time. Jonathan Molina was shot and killed by that state police officer, but the state police chief says that deadly shooting should never have happened. He says the suspect proved that he was a danger to society, but got a pass by the court system. News 13's Madeline Schmidt is here with that story. Madeline?
Yeah, well, Dean, Jonathan Molina could have been sitting in a prison cell and not the passenger seat of his friend's car the night that he allegedly shot the state police officer in the leg. And that thought frustrates the chief of state police. I'm not going back to prison. That's what 23-year-old Jonathan Molina told a state police officer before the shooting on I-25 near downtown Albuquerque on July 15th. And it would make sense. Molina just got out of jail in March.
I think he should have been behind bars.
But News 13 has learned he could have still been in jail. In July of 2017, Molina was arrested for taking Bernalillo County deputies on a dangerous chase across Albuquerque. He was on parole for prior drug crimes at the time. One judge immediately sent him back to jail until March for violating his parole. But when he faced Judge Jacqueline Flores for the chase, she signed off on a plea deal for probation created by the DA's office because prosecutors were worried about getting a conviction at trial.
When we did pretrial interviews, we were going to have a hard time identifying Mr. Molina as the driver.
And talking to the officials at the Bernalillo County Sheriff's Office, they had air support, there was video of the pursuit, the passenger bailed out, and at the time of the stop, when there was a pit maneuver done, he was the only person in the vehicle. So, I mean, I don't know, I've never been to law school, but maybe I'm missing something.
By March, Molina was out of jail for the parole violation for the drug case, but by June, he absconded from probation for the BCSO chase case. By July, Molina was dead and an officer wounded. DA Raul Torres's office says it recognizes the seriousness of the situation and why state police would be frustrated, but that it did its best.
In weighing the uncertainty of trial, in weighing the facts of this case, this was an outcome that we felt was good at the time.
Yet Chief Pete Cassetta says Molina is just one example of a lack of communication and toughness in our state's criminal justice system.
If someone's new to the system, there should be treatment, there should be diversionary programs, but if someone has been through those processes and just can't seem to get it, then there's nothing wrong with sending someone to prison that deserves to go to prison.
Like Jonathan Molina.
Exactly.
Now, the max amount of time behind bars Molina could have received for the chase with BCSO was 18 months. BCSO Sheriff Manuel Gonzalez told us his deputies did everything they could with the investigation into the chase and that no concern about enough evidence to convict Molina was ever brought to his attention by the DA's office. Dean, back to you.
All right, Madeline, thank you. The police officer who was shot, Kevin Smith, is expected to make a full recovery. He's been with state police for 4 years.